Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss how can we establish the communication between PC, PLC and server drive. So for that, go to the parameter settings, then Apex 5. In this Apex 5, you will see module parameter. In the module parameter, you will see Ethernet port. So just click it and you will see this window. Inside this window, you will have to set IP address, subnet mask and default gateway. And you need to keep this thing in the mind. You need same subnet masks. You cannot set different IP address for the PC, PLC and server drive. You need same subnet mask to make communication. Let's say we have subnet mask 255, 255, 255 and 0. We have to set all the IP address in the subnet mask. Okay, so for that 192.168 and 3.1. This is my subnet mask for the PLC, and let's set the default gateway 192.168.3.2. Let's say 3.2. Okay, if you are working with CC link IEF devices, then you'll have to set here, like if you are working with the servo drives and it's CC link IEF device, then you'll have to select here and make and select use. After that, you'll have to do these settings: network configuration setting, refresh settings. Okay, for that click here and you'll see the window like this. If you are working with a servo amplifier and the amplifier is this, just drag it over, just drag it here. Now you will see some points information here. It will say RX RY settings. So there are 64 points, and the address, hexadecimal address, starts from 000 to 003F. For RWW and RWR, the points available are 32 points, and they start from the 0000 to 001F. Okay, this is the points information, and you'll see IP addresses for the uh, MRJ for GF is 192.168.3.2. Okay, and the IP address for the host station is 3.1. Okay, these are the subnet mask which are same for the PLC and the server drive. You will have to set the IP address for the PC in the same subnet mask to make the communication successful. Now here you can see the IP address for the server drive is 192.168.3.2. Also we can see that the servo amplifier has its IP address equal to 3.2, which is not correct because the gateway IP address is 3.2. We need to change this, so we keep it 3.10. So that's how 0.2, and the host station IP address is 192.168.3.1. Like this, in the same subnet mask, you will have to give the IP address. You can see here the points available RX RY is 64, and for RWW RWR the points available are 32. You will have to map the registers. For that, you will have to go to refresh settings, where you will see that the 64 points for the RX, same for the RY, and for RWR and RWW there are 32 points. So click here specify device for all. After that, you will have to give the device RX, then RY, then RWR device will be in D. The data registers, RWW register is data register. So the points available for the RX is 64. For the starting, you will have to give 100. From 100, it will be 64 points, like 100, then 101 to 107, then it will count from 110, then till 117, then it will count from 120 till 127, like that it will go to n point 177. Same for the RY, it will go up to 277. It's octal. It does not consider 8, 9 ending numbers. The number which ends with the 8, 9 digits, it does not consider those numbers. Okay, so it is going till 77, 100 to 177, but the points available are only 64. So next, for data register, we'll give 1000 as a starting register. Then it will go till 1031, and for the RWW we will give the starting register as 2000. It will go till 2031. So this way we are going to set the or map the registers, and finally you will have to click here check. Then you will see no errors found. Just click OK, and your settings for the IP address of the source and the server drive is complete.